My dear friends, once you cross 60, you already know the quiet struggle your body carries each morning. The stiffness in your knees, the heaviness in your calves, the way even a short walk to the shop can feel like climbing uphill. Leg pain is not just about discomfort, it takes away freedom. It makes you decline family strolls, pause before a staircase, and sometimes even question your own strength. But let me ask you, what if relief didn't come from costly tablets, painful injections, or endless treatments, but from a simple food? Yes, a food so ordinary it might already be in your kitchen right now. A daily habit that can ease pain, strengthen your bones, and bring back the light, easy steps you once enjoyed in your youth. This is not just wishful thinking, it's backed by modern science and trusted by generations before us. After 60, the body naturally loses muscle, circulation slows, and joints carry more weight than they were designed for. Doctors often shrug and call it normal aging. But you and I both know, living with pain every single day should never be considered normal. Here's the hidden truth. By adding the right food once a day, you can restore healthy blood flow, protect your bones, and calm the aching that has been limiting your life. So what are these healing foods? Leafy greens like spinach and kale, colorful root vegetables like carrots and beetroot, and bone-protecting foods like broccoli and sweet potatoes. These are not just vegetables. They are nature's prescription, loaded with magnesium to relax tense muscles, potassium to stop cramps, vitamin K to strengthen bones, and antioxidants to reduce the inflammation behind sore joints. Eating them daily isn't just feeding your stomach, it's rebuilding the structure that carries you every day. Picture this, a man in his 70s who could hardly walk a block without resting. His nights were restless with cramps, his knees ached at every step. Then he made a small change. Every day he ate a simple salad of spinach and beetroot. Within weeks, his circulation improved, his pressure balanced, and the cramps disappeared. Soon he was walking a mile, without pain, without fear. His secret wasn't youth, it was nourishment. And you can claim the same. But the benefits don't end there. Eating these foods doesn't just soothe today's pain, it shields you from tomorrow's dangers. Osteoporosis, the silent bone thief of old age, can be slowed and even prevented by the calcium and vitamin K in these vegetables. And the antioxidants in carrots and sweet potatoes reduce the swelling of arthritis that stiffens joints. This is not just food, it's a complete defense system waiting for you at every meal. And here's something you must remember, you are not too old to feel young again. Don't let anyone convince you otherwise. Your legs are not finished, your independence is not lost, and your joy of walking is not just a memory. Every meal is a chance, either to weaken or to rebuild yourself. Once a day, choose the foods that heal. Choose greens, choose roots, choose life. If there is one message you carry with you, let it be this. Eat this once a day, and you will no longer walk like someone slowed down by age. You will move like someone alive with energy, as if 27 again. And when your children and grandchildren watch you, they will not just see a senior citizen, they will see a fighter, a wise elder, a living proof that age is strength when you give your body the fuel it deserves. So my dear friends, this is your time. If you are hearing these words, consider yourself fortunate, because many will never learn this truth until it's too late. Don't keep it hidden. Share it with your brother, sister, or friend who may also be silently struggling. And before you leave, I'd love to hear from you. What's one vegetable you eat daily, and how does it make you feel? Write it in the comments. Your story might inspire another person to take their first step toward freedom. Always remember, your best walk is not behind you, it's ahead of you. You can move with strength, you can walk with confidence, and you can feel alive again. But it all starts with one choice, one meal, once a day.